What's up, guys? It's your boy Nick with Hercules Fit, and today I decided I would shoot you guys a video on how to do a successful meal prep. I haven't talked about this on this channel. I've made a couple other videos about my nutrition and stuff like this, and I wanted to do a video on how to make your meals as effectively as possible where you can get shredded and look like a goddamn lean ass Cheeto, whatever the hell you want to do. First thing you want to do is you're going to want to get a scale. It's almost impossible to meal prep without getting a freaking scale. I don't know how many times I've seen some of my clients or seen other people that, they just try to wing it. Don't wing the shit. Get yourself a scale. You can get this bitch from Walmart, Publix. I think they even sell them at Home Depot and shit or whatever. But, it look kind of like a weed scale. Not that I know what a weed scale look like. First thing you want to do, get a scale. So, now that you got your scale, what you're going to want to do is turn the thing on. Press that little shit. And here's where the magic happens. This is what you're going to want to do, the most important thing. Set your setting to grams. So, I don't know if you guys can see that, but I've already got it set on grams. See that little G right there? The little G on the right-hand corner? You want it right there. Or whatever kind of scale you have, you want it on grams. Everything we're going to be doing is going to be with it on grams. So, I'm going to give you guys an example. Say, for example, you want to know how many calories your chicken breast is. So you're definitely going to want to log things like meat, anything that has like a lot of calories in it. You really ain't got to focus on logging shit like this, like spinach, because this ain't even got that many calories in it to begin with. See, like 25 fucking calories for 2 cups. You ain't got to worry about nothing like that. But something like chicken, obviously, even if it's lean, it's going to have a lot of fucking calories in it, no matter what. So you're going to want to log this, because this is what type of shit's going to add up at the end of the day. So what I like to do is I'll get like a paper towel or something. I'll lay it on there. So the paper towel don't weigh nothing. If whatever you're using to cover your scale weighs something, you'll just subtract that from the number of the food that you're doing. So I'll take the chicken off. As you guys can see, this is 257 grams of chicken. Now, I don't know how many calories that is, but if you're using MyFitnessPal, which is what you're probably using if, one of my clients or whatever, because that's what we use, MyFitnessPal, then you just put in MyFitnessPal, boneless, skinless chicken breast, 257 grams, you'll see how many calories it is. If it's too many calories, then cut the chicken breast in half or, take off the amount that you need to take off so that the chicken breast is the amount of calories that you need for this meal. So say you want it to be 100 fucking calories, you'll cut this thing in half, put it back on the scale, and just keep weighing it until you get the amount of calories that you need from using grams. Because remember, we're only using grams. I'll give you guys another example. Say, for example, you need to weigh something like almonds. You're going to want to do something like this because, again, these are nuts. They are very healthy for you, but they have also a lot of calories in them. So you don't want to just fucking willy-nilly and guess it because you could be way off in your calories. So you do the same thing. Get yourself a paper towel. Put that bitch on there. Take your nuts out. Hey, no pun intended. But like I said, take your nuts out. Take them bitches out. Say, for example, you want 100 calories worth of nuts. I don't know how many calories that would be, but say we're looking at the nutrition label. So it's 170 calories for 28 grams. So when this number says 28, that it is 100 calories worth of nuts. So it says 14, so we want 28 because we want our snacks to be about 100 calories. If you're watching this and you ever meal prep, you want snacks to be about 100 calories. So that's 23, a little bit more. 28, boom, right on the money. That's 100 calories worth of nuts. So if you were making yourself a meal and you needed a snack and your snack needs to be 100 calories, for this food, you want it to be 28 grams. Now, it's going to depend on the food, how many calories it is. So if this was chicken, 28 grams of chicken is not going to be 100 fucking calories. So you need to look on your nutrition label so you know exactly how many calories it is the food that you're eating, or look it up into MyFitnessPal so you know. So guys, I'm going to give you guys one more example, and I think you guys are going to have the hang of it. All right, we're going to do something a little bit more tricky. We're going to do some peanut butter. Again, this is a healthy food, but it has a lot of calories in it because it's fucking oil. It comes from peanuts. So you're going to want to log something like this too. So if you're not really sure on how to do something like this, what I would do is I would take it out, get yourself a nice scoop, use a plate. Now notice the plate is bringing up 10 grams, so you'll know you'll subtract that from the total of whatever this comes out to be. So it's 24, so it's really 14 grams of peanut butter. We look on here, it shows that 32 grams is 190 calories. So say for example, you only want one serving, so you're going to want 32 grams. You put some more on here. So that's 38. So we need about 10 more. 46. Come off, bitch. God dang. So it's 39. That's pretty close. You know that's about a little bit less than 190 calories because we're subtracting the weight of the plate, which is really about 29. So guys, I hope that makes sense. This is pretty much the way that you're going to want to accurately meal prep. You're going to want to weigh out each ones of your food. Now, like I said, you don't have to weigh out things like spinach or broccoli, anything that's like a green vegetable. I wouldn't really worry about weighing that out because it's not going to be that many calories. But any kind of oil or nut or meat, you know, beef, chicken, fish, whatever that is, definitely weigh it out. Look on the nutrition label for your reference point and make sure you're actually getting the actual serving size of what it is. So notice one serving is for these almonds is 28 grams. So if you want to do 2 servings, then you know that you will double that number. Simple math, guys. A lot of people try to complicate this. It's not that complicated. It's simple math. So just look at the nutrition label, put it on the scale. If whatever you're putting it on weighs something, you'll subtract that. And make sure you're putting it on grams. Everything we're reading is going to be grams. So I hope this helps somebody out with their meal prep. Get my programs, get my coaching. And obviously we ain't going to be eating no shit like this. This is just an example fucking video. You ain't going to be eating no peanut butter and fucking chicken. Get my fucking programs. You'll love them. I got a winter bulk, summer shred. Link in the description below. You'll love them. I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. It's your boy Hercules, your boy Nick, signing out.